Hi everybody, my name is Adam Meyer. I am back with another video, and today I'm just going to get straight into the charts here. I'm going to go over Bitcoin and also Ethereum and what I see in the market. So I can't predict the future, obviously, just like anybody else can't predict the future. But I'm just going to let you know what I see from previous techniques that have worked out in the past. So what I am seeing here at the lower section of Bitcoin is SMT divergence. So that's smart money technique divergence. I've learned that from a man named ICT. So it's something that has actually worked out in the past here with Ethereum as well. So they correlate back and forth with each other, and they can kind of tell the future based on where the smart money is coming in and where it can actually project going forward. So what does this mean? Smart money technique, SMT. We are seeing a lower low created here on Bitcoin, and Ethereum is a correlating asset with Bitcoin. So if we see how Ethereum made a higher high, but Bitcoin made a lower low. And what does that mean? It means that there's more smart money buyers within Ethereum, so there are buyers actually holding price up within the smart money algorithm. So that could mean that we are seeing potential reversal happen within this area to go reach a bunch of buy-side liquidity that is sitting higher. So we have Ethereum that has buy-side right here, and we have buy-side right here. So everybody and their mom is short in this damn market right now. So we could see some consolidation and a rip up into here, even up into these fair value gaps to balance out the overall market. So you got to think of it like a paintbrush. If we come down, we eventually have to come back up, and then we can see some more retracement down there. I don't know what's going to happen. You got to wait for price action, obviously, but just look at this. It goes up, it has to come back down like a paintbrush. Goes up, has to come back down, but it then falls down more. Falls down, comes back up like a paintbrush into this gap. So think of paint a wall, up and down, up and down. So perfect example, came down. Oh, it could have just fell right down to here, but no, it had to come back up like a paintbrush, come back down. And now we have this area. It came down. We need to see it come back up before it even come down more, or even retracing and then going back up. So we don't know yet. But anyways, in the short term, how am I looking to capitalize on this move if it actually does present? I'm looking to watch accumulation within this area here on Ethereum. If we do get some buyers show up, I'm going to look for a retest into here to then take higher up within these areas. Same here with Bitcoin, but I'm more of an investor into crypto. I don't like trading it as much, even though I do. I do like to invest into it. So this is like a possible indication for a reversal that we are seeing here. I would like to see lower prices down within this gap farther on Bitcoin, but it does not need to happen now or yet. But on one of my videos, I don't know if I'm going to release it before this one, but I am looking for a potential retracement up on S&P 500 if we do get a positive catalyst with CPI in December. Hi everybody, I was rewatching this video and actually editing it, so that's why it's a little dark in my room. You can see the Christmas tree in the background. But anyways, I do want to talk about like the downside that Bitcoin can see as well. If we do reach up higher into this fair value gap that's sitting here on the daily time frame, I am looking to see if prices will come lower if it rejects the area. But if it starts to buy up and hold in bullish closures, we could possibly get some retest to then keep buying up higher into there. That goes along with the SMT divergence with Ethereum. So Ethereum higher high, Bitcoin lower low. So that means there's smart money techniques. So there's more buyers in Ethereum, but they'll both still go up if the institutions and that smart money and the algorithm actually decides to buy price up higher. So we got to keep that in mind. I did mention it in another video. I don't know if it's uploaded yet or not, or if I'm going to do it after this video, but the CPI news, I might have mentioned it already, but the CPI news, if it comes out bad in December, then we're probably going to see Bitcoin fall lower down to these lower levels. I believe it's middle of December, it might be December 13th or so. If we're still hovering around the zone and it's really bad, we're looking to come down. But if it's bullish, we can get a retest and possibly a bullish continuation up in here. Or if we do get up here, a retest for continuation up into there. So that's really like what I'm looking at. So long-term investment, long-term, I'm personally, like I said, dollar cost averaging on the way down. But trading it, there's a bunch of different factors. It's not for everybody, but that's just my idea and the thought process of where we are. I do believe that we are in a very, very good discount for the overall long term for investing. Trading, who knows what can happen. We just have to wait for more information, but there you go. All right, I'm going to wrap this up here. So I am looking for buy opportunities on crypto, but I personally like to dollar cost average all the way down, and then when we finally do reverse, it's going to be 100, 200, 300x your money, whatever's in there. Obviously not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. We could see some nice opportunities going forward. If CPI does come out good, we're going to see the S&P rally, and then we're probably going to see crypto rally, because when S&P bottoms, Bitcoin's probably going to bottom. But we got to see actually what's happening with FTX and all the other cryptos exchanges that could go under. But that could also just be all noise and blood in the streets, as they call it. And the best time to buy assets is when there's blood in the streets and there's a lot of bad news. So that could just be noise, and then we could just be rallying. So people that are selling out a lot of their portfolio right now are probably going to get slapped in the short term, but if it does come lower, then it's just going to be more of a buy opportunity for long-term investors like myself. So let me know if you have any questions. Take it easy, everybody. Love y'all.